Look at this, look at this. Not off, dude.
No, it's okay.
Hit the cone.
Hit the cone.
And who was thinking? 20 seconds.
Who's playing?
I don't know.
10 seconds.
Oh, sorry.
Back up.
You ready?
Back up.
It's fine. Okay.
Yes. Oh. Here we go. Incoming. That one hurt. I like the one on the bottom. That's the open. Not the one on the bottom. It's got the
Oh, fail.
Incoming!
Yes!
This is awesome. There's a video, so I haven't gotten them all, but I got a couple of them.
That's a tough play.
Incoming!
Carnage!
Oh man!
For carnage!
If you're wondering why this is happening, look at there. There we go, full moon.
Yeah, I think so.
I don't think it could have had anything to do with the special.
No, these people are crazy.
Crap, my battery's getting low. I thought I put a new one in.
Look out.
SEFF triple and a full moon leads to this.
Clean it.
Incoming! No, he's going around.
Heads up! Heads up!
Get out of the way! Run!
Heads up! Flashing lights!
Run! Danger, Will Robinson!
Watch me.
Oh, what else? Hitting go! Gotta love Superfly! Need to like my new thing.
Wave off.
Hey,
Alright, here we go. Incoming.
Why don't they get bowled?
Yes, it's cold. It's even cold.
Oh, yeah. He's safe, he doesn't have the cone on his head. That sounded expensive. Uh-oh, you lost something.
You sure can tell this is the last night of SEFF, that's for sure. That's all I got to say.
Is Fred recording all this?
Incoming!
I am.
Fight! That's the way you play. Ratings been doing pretty well. All right. 20 seconds. Incoming! Incoming!
Swing it!
Incoming!
Problem is looking through a camera, you might not see him come towards you. That's it! Oh gosh, the right wing scared the crap out of him.
Nice! Nicely done.
He hits it, it's going to break it up. Yeah, he's not going
First try, Cato to ball. Okay, we're ready!
No, but we can hear it just fine over here. We hope they don't feel slighted, but they went over there. We would have to do it. Oh, no, we can hear it. This was
Knock my motor loose.